I will show you how to like games on Roblox Mobile. First, open the App Store. Download the Roblox application. After the download is complete, don't forget to log in. After you log in, go to the home menu. Here, there are many games available. Select the game you want to rate. After that, scroll down. Here there's an icon like this. If you like, press this. And if you don't like, press this. Congratulations! You have successfully rated the game.
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.